In the previous video, we talked about frames, grids, and mockups. Today we're focusing on photos and videos inside Canva's Elements panel. If you learn how to use these properly, your designs will instantly look more polished and professional. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start by setting up your design. Head over to canva.com and log in. On the left-hand panel, click on Create. Then choose Presentation so we can clearly see how everything works on a slide. Once your blank canvas opens, click on Elements on the left side. First, let's talk about photos. Scroll to the Photos section and click on any image to add it to your slide. You can resize it, rotate it, and reposition it freely. But the key is choosing the right photo. Use the search bar and type specific keywords like minimalist workspace or soft background instead of general terms. But what I love about Canva is that the Elements search bar also serve as an image generator. If you can't find any suited image in Canva's library, you can head over to ChatGPT and describe the image you need. Then ask it for a prompt to generate the image inside Canva. Once it's done generating, head back to the Elements search bar and hit Generate Images after pasting your prompt. Once your photo is placed, click Edit Image at the top. And you can start to adjust brightness, contrast, and clarity slightly to make it look cleaner. If you're placing text on top of a photo, lower the transparency or add a semi-transparent shape behind the text to keep it readable. You can also double-click the photo to crop and reposition the focus without changing the frame size. Now let's move on to videos. Scroll in Elements and find the Videos section. Click on a video to add it to your slide. Resize it just like a photo. When selected, you can trim the clip using the trim option at the top and mute the audio if needed. Just a quick tip, you can use any frame and drag a video in it, and it'll perfectly work just fine. But you can only use the videos and photos that are either in the library or the ones you uploaded in Canva. If you copy a URL on YouTube and paste it on Canva, you can totally play it, but you can't place it onto a frame. And just like with photos, use the search bar strategically. Specific keywords will help you find better results faster. To apply any of these elements, simply drag them onto your canvas, resize, crop, edit, trim if needed, and layer properly using the position tool. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You now understand how to use Canva's photos and videos properly as a beginner. Once you start choosing visuals intentionally, your designs will immediately stand out compared to basic static layouts. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.